panel for the passenger seat on the side of the pedestal, and I made a rough copy of it so I know what to do. But now I'm starting with a new piece of wood, copied some measurements, and this will be the first thing. I got a new inlay. This is the background that's left. This on top will be the letters that will be inlaid in that background. Those are the two that are disposable, and that's the one I need. I'm gonna cover the side of this pedestal. I'm gonna drill a couple of holes. To avoid too many metal shavings, I'll use a magnet. Okay. Just clean it up a bit. Then I want to put a little bit of paint on it as well, on the holes. Now let it dry a bit and install the side panel. I'm going to use my puncher to punch a few holes in the panel. Put it in place first, so I already put in the screws just a tiny little bit so they will fit into my pre-drilled holes. The 3.7 is an indication of the engine. Didn't know what else to put on it, but that's looks good. I did do some preliminary work to make at least 4 screw holes. Small screw holes, temporary screw holes for the frame, and this will be the first time I'll put the tank on it, just to make sure that everything fits, it's rigid, and just to make sure that long term it'll work. Then I'll take everything off again and start drilling the final holes and screws. I'll start by attaching the frame first. Okay. take this down. However, what I have to do is very likely, that's the only thing I can do, I think, is put two straps over the top of it as well and then connect them together, and that makes it probably a solid connection. To the left you have the end of the gas tank, and I'm looking to the rear of the van, and this is the water tank. The axle is to the left and it goes towards the kitchen. Okay, I've been making quite a few adjustments, and I'll be adding another strap on top of it because I found it to be not the way you wanted to have it. So I'll cut this in two and make two straps here on top of the tank as well. I got them roughly together, at least at one side temporarily, so this is the way I should install it. But first I have to remove the tank again. This way. I attach these straps at the bottom of the frame to the frame, two bolts on each side. But I'm going to add some thread lock first. The next thing I'm going to do is applying some flashing at the bottom and one of the sides. We'll see. To protect the plastic tank from debris flying up from the road. I use a very thick form of window seal to put between the braces or the straps and the water tank. So I'll put that on the inside of the straps. Be better off doing it this. That is all I needed to do so far, so now I have to put in the tank. So now that's ready, next step is putting it under the vehicle. Let's see. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.